Hi, today I uploaded this animation in my Facebook and some people wants to know how to create this animation. So now I will show you. Go to Canva and then click create. I will choose social media. I will choose Instagram post, or you can also choose a mobile video. Go to element, add a color of the pumpkin. I will reduce the size like this, and then I will duplicate, place it on the top, duplicate again. I will make it 8. Okay. Now I'll select this one, duplicate, place on the right side, duplicate again. Now I will select this 8, duplicate, and place it here. So it become H. Okay. And then select this H all, duplicate, and place it here. Now I will move it to the right, to the center, this one to the left, so they meet there, and this one here, and this one here. Okay, and then I will duplicate this 8 again, duplicate and move it here. I will select this one and move it to the top, and select this all and rotate a little. I will move it here. Okay, so we have the text now, and then let's add the background. I will add this pumpkin background and remove the background. If you use Canva Free, just go to apps and type here cleaner and choose background cleaner, this one. Okay, now let's continue and crop it, crop the empty part here, and then I will reduce the size so it's the size is equal to this pumpkin. I will duplicate it, place here, duplicate again, and place here, and then duplicate more, place here, duplicate, and place it here. Now I will select them all and group, and then duplicate the group, place here and increase the size, duplicate again, increase again, duplicate again, and place it here. All right. Now I will duplicate this page, right click here, duplicate pages, and click here on the page 1. Now select all the text, right click, align element, choose bottom, and then move it to the pile of this pumpkin. Okay. Now click duration, scroll down, click here, and change the 5 to 1.5, enter, and then click the duration again, and click space between the pages, click add transition, match and move, and make it maximum. Now go to page 2, select the pumpkin text, click animate, scroll down, choose wiggle, scroll down and reduce the intensity, and then click pulse, reduce the intensity. Okay, now you have it, and then click share, download as MP4, and click download. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video tutorial and share the link to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.